whisk that all together. Once I get it whisked together, I'm going to set it to the side. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to finish the rest by hand. I didn't want it to mix too long. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my last ingredient, and that is a hot cup of coffee. And I'm going to scrape my sides down. And I'm going to pour in a hot cup of coffee. Fine. I had some Baker's Joy. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my pans and put in some parchment paper. If you don't have parchment rounds, you can just cut parchment paper and put it in. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and fill my cake pans. You should have your oven on 350. We're gonna bake on 350 for 25 minutes, or till your cake comes out toothpick clean. The toothpick is clean. It's time to come out. After cooling about 5 or 10 minutes, now I'm going to go ahead and put them on the cooling rack and let them cool. Okay. Go ahead and get this other one. All right. I'm going to go ahead and add in my cocoa. My heavy cream. And my vanilla. Let that mix slow. I have that mixed. I'm going to scrape my sides down, and I'm going to go ahead and start adding in my powdered sugar. A little at a time. Start it off on low so you won't get powdered sugar everywhere. I mean by serrated, it looks like that. Okay. Just icing. One more layer going on the top. Actually, this is going to be the crumb coat. And I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for a couple of hours. And then I'll put the last coat on. Like I said, this is the crumb coat. So let's get this in the refrigerator. And I'm going to refrigerate it for probably about 2 hours. Get it good and cold. Getting it ready for the refrigerator. And I'll let it stay in the refrigerator about 2 hours. And then put on the final coat and decorate it. Back into the refrigerator and just let it chill for another 30 minutes before I get ready to decorate it. Here. Probably have to put them in my hand. Yeah, that works better. Put them in my hand. Hold on, I'm gonna stick to the cake. Too bad. Let's go round and round, round and round. Just had to get started. That should be enough. A little bit more here. All right. You'll love this cake. If you're diabetic, it's not the cake for you. We're gonna take some cookies. Cookie. In the middle. And I think that's enough chocolate. Hey, Patty Cakes here. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell. Set it to all so you'll never miss a Patty Cakes recipe. Thank you for supporting our kitchen.